Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for sweet potatoes that I am absolutely known for. This was actually my mom's recipe that I have tweaked over the past 20 years or so, but it is always in demand. Start with a big can of canned sweet potatoes or yams. This one is 29 ounces, should be about 3 cups, and drain. Mash the sweet potatoes. Get them as smooth or as lumpy as you like. Next, add in 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, which is about half of one of these small cans. Add some cinnamon. I'll probably add about a teaspoon. And a splash of vanilla, again about a teaspoon. You can also substitute pumpkin pie spice if you'd like instead of cinnamon. Now crack in 2 eggs. Then add in a half cup of unsalted butter, melted. And then add in a tablespoon or 2 of brown sugar. And mix well. Next, pour the mixture into a baking dish. Now cover and bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes in the oven, you're going to take it out and uncover it, and then top it with some kind of flaky cereal. I used to use Special K, I think it's cinnamon pecan or something like that, but today I'm going to try some cinnamon roll, what is this, granola. So you're just going to kind of sprinkle that on the top. You can do it as thin or as thick as you like, and then just pop it back in the oven uncovered for 5 to 10 minutes, just to kind of brown up the topping and add a little bit of crunch. Okay, I have baked my sweet potatoes an additional 5 minutes with the topping. Now just look how yummy that looks. Enjoy!